Okay, good question. What's exciting about my actors from everyone here, and most especially my lead actors, Julian, Arjo, Sid, Edson, Paolo, Cholo, Ivan, and the rest, we provided safety, stuntmen, and stunt doubles on the set. Okay? That's a protocol. But as you go along with the scene, and then the reason why we didn't set up natin, because we want everyone to go back in that memory lane na ganito yung sitwasyon namin. Kaya ito yung set na feel talaga. Until such time na everyone have this very intense energy na, okay, let's do this. Kaya to. Until such time na you realize the double is already for the safety because more than 16 hours, they're doing their best. If I'm going to isa-isahin ko lang kahit makinis lang, Julia Montes, once na binuhusan mo na siya ng dugo, sa first eksena niya sa umaga, ang dugo natin doon balde-balde kasi. So, buhusan ng dugo si Julia sa umaga, kasi yung eksena niya, she will never gonna go back sa tent niya. That's the mark of a very, very amazing actress. She never said, can I take away my blood muna? Kasi makikita ko si Julia, she's just sitting in one corner, waiting for her scene. Hanggang sa mapack-up mo na siya sa madaling araw, na tsokolate na yung itsura niya kasi ang lagkit na. Doon palang, it's really an honor to see them doing that. Arjo at Taide, he said to me, siyempre, hindi naman siya super action star na sa night doon, di ba? Ang sabi ko lang kay Arjo, just go with the flow. Isipin mo na sinaulo ka. Kung sinaulo ka, sinapapolo ka eh. Kung sinaulo ka, sinapapolo ka na. Yun ang ginawa ni Arjo. Tuloy-tuloy lang siya na after a while, uncontrollable na. Hindi mo na siya makontrol. Same goes with Sid, same goes with Encho. Lahat yan, total, bukus na ng energy nila. And same with my actor. So, yun ang pinaka-amazing sa kanila.
Thank you, Direk. Maraming salamat for sharing that. Sisa, another content creator, has a question. Napanood din niya yung film kanina.
Congratulations po sa lahat ng cast. Dahil po ng po, since all your scenes and your songs were difficult, how did you prepare for the scenes para maging kayo mismo yung
Anybody? Paolo, ikaw naman. Sumunod ka naman. Paolo. Preparations for your character.
Well, kasi ako, I've been working with Direk Richard for the past few years na. So, medyo alam ko na yung kung na-expect na anong klaseng action na tatak songs. So, in preparation for this, part naman na tayo step by martial arts and pagbabaril. So, medyo tsaka tutulong mo ay may top-up din naman talaga ako. So, I think enough preparation and top-up ko.
Alam niyo po, ang isa sa mga dapat niyong abangan is the scene between Arjo and Paolo Paraiso. Grabe yun. Sa mga nakapanood, I know you will agree with me. Anybody else who wants to share your preparations? Sid, preparations mo for your character.
I think the hardest part of the movie is preparing to work with the literature. Honestly, in terms of the stars and the physical aspect of it, comics ko na lahat yun. That's something I really like to do. Pero, trying to surprise me, Richard's always a set. There's no such thing as break, there's only stand-up. That's the best thing I've done.
Wow. Thank you. Anybody else who wants to answer before we move to another question by Kate at the Heart? Wala na. Thank you, Sisa. Maraming salamat. Kate at the Heart.
My question is for Julia. Reaction to director Richard's feedback. So, paano mo rin ang pinaghandaan? Nag-workout with special fitness plan, diet, after the
Sorry po, kasi kakasabi ko lang yung tao sa workout, kaya sasablay ko ako doon. Pero yung So, yun yung ibang experience na naparamdam sa akin ni Direk Richard. So, sabi ko, while we did this, kung dumi, kung sapakan, if tama pagkakaalala ko 8 hours yung isang shoot natin ni Direk, 8 hours straight na fight scene. So, yun pa lang po, we're all over yun. So, yun yung masarap sa shoot na to. And pag napanood nyo naman, talaga naman, hindi mo iindahin yung dumi, yung tagal, yung pagod, yung pawis, lahat yun. Kasi we're there kapag napanood mo.
How long did you shoot this film?
Okay. We really shoot fast. 18 days na.
Wow.
Yeah, because we plan na lang. We never go sa set. Ganun lang katotoo eksena, pero we really plan na lang. Hindi kami barabara. So 18 days started, 18 days shoot. And tama sa oras, may mga extended na content, pero we just need to finish it. Pero we comply with the rules, with the regulations, but we really need to be on time and work with the deadline.
Thank you, Direk. Before I give the mic to Ana Pino for the next question, we have another content creator who will give you feedback and reaction after watching the film. Si Boraot Queen. Ito ang kanyang content creator name.
Hello, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Regan, also known as Boraot Queen sa social media. Hindi ko lang pong Boraot sa movie kasi sa totoo lang, first scene pa lang, affected na ako. Kasi meron ako mga friends na nag-PTSD. So, alam ko kung ano ang pinagdaanan nila. Kaya when I was watching the movie, ramdam ko ng agad ko nila. And nakakatuwa, nakakita na nabuhay yung character kasi ang gagaling ng mga artista. Sobra. Kahit small exposure or hindi man ganun kadaming scenes na nakuha, pero nabigyan ng buhay eh. So mas nakita ko kasi yung mga roles na nagbigay buhay doon sa fight scenes na sobrang parang makatotohanan. Walang Hollywood talaga ang dating. Walang halong charot. Pero ngayon ako nakapanood ng pelikulang Pilipino na maiilawan natin sa Hollywood films. Kaya nakakatuwa. At yung mga scenes na nakita ko lang ito noong 90s, yung mga action films